Welcome back to Instables, everyone. It looks like PLTR is on a little bit of a sell-off today, and a lot of people have been asking, is PLTR going to possibly have a good swing trade from these prices, or are we going to possibly sell off from where we're at now? I'm going to go over a quick analysis with you guys, so let's jump into this one. So I want to go over the far with you guys here on PLTR, as I do want to go over the swing trade perspective. A lot of people have been asking, is PLTR going to be swinging into a nice profitable trade, or is it going to possibly consolidate, sell off, and have a better entry? So again, PLTR, in my opinion, is very bullish on the long run regardless. But however, I'm going to go over this descending wedge that we did mention previously. Again, we did mention this descending wedge and how if it did break above it and it did break over 24.72, then we would possibly have a nice bullish run. And our ultimate resistance that we want to break over is 28.87, as this is where we previously did consolidate, and this is also where we previously did have our breakout. So again, that breakout was on our bull flag here, and you can see we did break above it. We broke this resistance here at 28.87, and then we did have a breakout now. Again, we are going to be trying to break over this 24.72 mark that we did get rejected at. Again, we got rejected here because we did get sell off at this point right here. You guys can see the doji candle that came in on the green doji candle right there. And then we also did have a sell-off at this point right here. It also was a major sell-off. We had a huge bounce play because PLTR, in my opinion, is very bullish, and that's why it had a bounce at this point. But also we did have a continuation on the sell-off. So a lot of people are wondering, are we going to create lower lows from these levels at 24.72 and get rejected and possibly sell off? Or are we going to possibly have that bull run that we have been waiting for with the 20 MA starting across above the 50 here? And again, that 20 MA could easily curl down and get rejected. And that's why I want to break over this 24.72 mark. And ultimately that 28.87 mark is very key, as it is the very key resistance for this stock. And if it does break above that 28.87 mark, then it would give us confirmation on bullish momentum. Now, the reason why I want to go over this also is because, again, we had a little bit of a sell-off today. And just because we have a sell-off doesn't mean that we can't bounce off the 20 MA here and have a huge run. So again, PLTR, in my opinion, is still on the watch. I personally do like it as a long play. I like these prices as a nice entry for a possible swing trade. Like I said, the 20 MA still above the 50. We haven't seen it cross above the 50 for quite a while. Again, that was since we did have our previous breakout. So we are going to see if this 20 MA can continue and we can break over this 24.72 mark. If we can break over $25, in my opinion, we probably would be in more of a bullish momentum play. But however, like I said, 28.87, the very key resistance that we're waiting for this one to break out of. If it does break over 28.87 into 29, then we could have a nice day trade going into around $30 and possibly breaking new highs around $40.23 that we are ultimately trying to break above for the ultimate bullish momentum, of course, to create newer highs. And again, our ultimate high that we did get to previously was at $45. So if we can break over 45, then that would be, of course, very bullish. But as far as entering early and making a nice swing trade, in my opinion, we want to break over this 24.72 mark that we did previously have sell-offs at, and we previously did consolidate and bounce off of. Again, this is very key. If we can't break over 25, then we will definitely have more consolidation, unfortunately, and we may see that 20 may cross down on the 50 if we can't hold these levels and break above 24.72. So again, I hope you guys have been enjoying the entries breakouts throughout the week. Again, we do go over all penny stock breakouts at instables.com. Become a bull, and then you guys can see all penny stock breakouts. Never miss one again. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.